In Turkey, a KC Cyber Combat Dog demonstration, a robot dog that would support military personnel and security officers during military operations, was introduced by the Turkish business Barkin. KC, a robot dog, can accomplish its goal even in challenging mountainous terrain. The robot has a 25 kilograms load capacity and a 2-hour workday. The 360-degree camera on KC is one of its most remarkable features. With the ATOC technology, the robot quickly sends all it observes to security personnel via a SIM card. It can operate independently and is managed by a single operator. KC is a product that can be easily operated by even one person. His four-legged structure turns the goat into a player who successfully completes his mission even on steep terrain, rocks, or in the most difficult mountainous areas. Turkey's armed robots take to the battlefield. A private company in Ankara has completed the first firing tests of the AVCI QART project. AVCI QART. This is an armed robotic dog developed by a Turkish company for use in military operations. AVCI QART, capable of crawling, running, and hiding, will also be able to laser mark UAVs. This robotic dog is equipped with a firearm and can hit targets with precision. With a camera system installed on it, AVCI QART carries out reconnaissance, entering places that are dangerous for personnel, and identifies the target using laser markings. It follows the target step by step using a day vision camera during the day and a thermal imaging camera at night. A robot that has successfully passed the first fire tests and has a firing range of 2 kilometers. AVCI QART is a product designed to provide operational capabilities in areas that pose a risk of infiltration by security forces. Targeting and Unmanned Systems Project Coordinator. Hsur, one of the private arms manufacturers in Turkey, has released a robot warrior. The robot, named Sarbat, has features that can be effectively used from the front. Sarbat is a robotic weapon system that will be adopted by the Turkish army in the coming years with different large-scale calibers. The 20mm bow gun, created by Turkish engineers, is a rotary turret artillery system that can fire 750 rounds of 20mm ammunition per minute. This will greatly contribute to the firepower of the Turkish armed forces. Sarbat will have the ability to destroy threat elements with its unique weapon system. With a travel time of approximately 1 hour, Sarbat will be able to successfully complete its mission in all conditions and weather conditions. Sarbat, where efforts to extend its service life are ongoing, is set to enter service with the Turkish Armed Forces next year. Developed by the Turkish company AVCI, the Barkin II unmanned ground vehicle, equipped with a hydrogen power plant, became the first in the world to successfully fire various types of ammunition and several projectiles from a single turret. This achievement follows the recent successful launch of a laser-guided missile. The recent test marks a major milestone in the development of military technology, as the Barkin II unmanned aerial vehicle demonstrates its ability to launch a variety of munitions without the use of explosive materials during launch. The system features 2 launchers connected in a single turret, with one launcher being a laser-guided system and the other using unloaded ammunition. Kamikaze ammunition fired from Barkin II boasts an impressive firing range of up to 15 kilometers, thanks to its electric propulsion system. It also reaches a flight altitude of 3,000 meters and provides a broadcast time of 40 minutes. The work can also be equipped with 5.56mm and 7.62mm machine guns. The device is multitasking. It copes not only with shooting at targets, but also deals with bomb disposal, providing chemical, biological, radiological protection, cargo delivery, towing, reconnaissance, and rescue operations. Armed Unmanned Ground Vehicle, Hsur, is preparing to enter service with the Turkish Armed Forces. The Unmanned Ground Vehicle, developed by Electroland, carries a SARP artillery turret manufactured by ASCLSAN. A machine gun and a grenade launcher can be integrated into the vehicle. In dangerous operations, it can be used to turn an area into a safe zone with suppressive fire using the reconnaissance and surveillance method in front of security forces. It can be used in residential operations. Hsur plays an active role on rough terrain thanks to its moving pallet system. It provides advantages such as overcoming 60% of vertical obstacles, 30% of lateral obstacles, and 60 centimeters of trench. This is what distinguishes it from its competitors in the world. It has a remote control function for a distance of up to 1.5 kilometers. It has 2 electric motors and can operate for 4 hours of active continuous operation. It has a load capacity of 500 kilograms and can work for 6 hours after 3 hours of charging. It can be equipped with either a 7.62mm remote weapon system or 40mm grenade launchers. Hsur's ability to conduct reconnaissance and surveillance in hazardous areas is of great importance for safety. The Turkish company presented the best armed unmanned ground vehicle of the group, Fedai. Developed by Best Group, the Fedai unmanned ground vehicle is rugged, agile, and quick to handle. Fedai, a medium-range unmanned aerial vehicle, is capable of performing reconnaissance and surveillance missions, as well as firing with the help of artificial intelligence. Weight is 400 kilograms with a towing capacity of 400 kilograms and a track width of 180 millimeters. The vehicle can overcome ditches 500 millimeters wide, and its speed can reach 10 kilometers per hour. Fedai can be controlled from a distance of up to 1,000 meters using a remote control. Fedai is armed with a 7.62mm machine gun, or equivalent with 1,000 rounds of ammunition. Fedai was designed for pre-infiltration reconnaissance operations by personnel and, if necessary, can eliminate any threats it faces, especially in operations conducted in built-up areas. In addition, various payloads can be easily integrated into the vehicle given its flexible architecture. ASELSAN, a Turkish startup, presents the Aslan unmanned ground vehicle at AGRI, the Roketsan laser guidance system for mini-missiles, the AVCI long-range acoustic system, and the SARPL weapon system are all installed on the Aslan. Aslan can be operated using a GSM network and has a wireless range of up to 800 meters. With the help of an electric motor, Aslan may go at up to 10 kilometers/. It can also traverse 30% lateral and 60% vertical slopes, as well as ditches up to 60 centimeters deep. Aslan is equipped with numerous sophisticated features, including remote control, surveillance and reconnaissance, and the capacity to combine a vast array of military hardware. With these features, Aslan will significantly increase the efficiency and power of the Turkish armed forces.